Welcome to Munich. If you are looking for the absolute best things to do in Munich for art and design lovers, you have to visit this building. This is the Pinakothek der Moderne, and it's not just a museum. It's actually 4 world-class museums under one giant roof. Located in the heart of Munich's Kunstareal district, this architectural masterpiece is famous for its massive glass rotunda. It's a dream for photographers. But the real treasure is what's inside. First, we have the Neue Sammlung, or the Design Museum. It is one of the leading design museums in the world. You'll see everything here from vintage automobiles and retro furniture to the evolution of the Apple computer. It's fascinating to see how everyday objects have changed over the last century. Next, we head upstairs to the modern art collection. This gallery features 20th and 21st century masters like Picasso, Magritte, and Andy Warhol. The layout is incredibly open, so you never feel crowded, even on busy days. There is also a dedicated architecture museum and a collection of graphic art, making this arguably the most diverse museum in Munich. And here is my favorite travel hack. If you are visiting on a Sunday, admission to the Pinakothek der Moderne and many other Munich museums is only €1. It's the best budget travel deal in the city. So, whether you love architecture, design, or just need a great indoor activity, put this spot on your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Germany travel tips.